guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes. We're gonna learn how to import and export Elementor made pages from one WordPress website to another. So imagine the following scenario. You have this site, you have made this site using Elementor WordPress plugin. Even if it's in the free version, into the pro version, it works for both, okay? You made the site and you have a new website, and this new website, it's blank, has no content, okay? How to import all of the contents from this website to this one right here using Elementor in a simple, fast and effective method. So you can enjoy your templates, you can enjoy your page, your landing page, you can reuse the widgets that you have made, the layouts that you have made. How to do this? This is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to use internet on a site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to the WordPress website that you already have made, the one with ready contents. And this case is this one right here. Move to the WordPress dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over Elementor and click into the submenu Tools. Review these tabs right here and focus into this one right here, Import Export Kit. First thing, we need to export the kit, okay? We need to create a file to be downloaded from another website. So, Export Template Kit. Click on Start Export. I don't want the templates, okay, because I'm not a pro user, so up to me. We can import all of the contents, okay, for example, templates and post types, okay, and the site settings, okay, like global colors, fonts, styles, okay. Now, hit the bottom right corner button to Next. Now, export your site as website kit. Select which of those plugins are required for this kit to work. In my case, we're gonna need Borderless plugin and WP Forms, okay? So you're gonna select these sites. If you have made your site using some imported plugin for you, you may need to this plugin be required for the other site. So you need to select the plugin right here, okay? Now, once again, we're gonna click into the bottom right corner, pink button, called Create Kit. Your export is ready, okay? And here is the file. Now, what to do? Go to the blank website, go to the WordPress dashboard. If you still do not have installed Elementor, you're gonna install Elementor on plugins, add new plugin, search right here for Elementor, click on install now. Now, you're gonna be able to see Elementor into the WordPress left sidebar menus, hover mouse over it and do the same path. Go to Tools submenu, click into the tab Import Export Kit, and now we're gonna click on Import Template Kit. Apply the design and settings of another site to this one. Start import. Important. We recommend that you back up your site before importing the kit. No needs for it, the site is blank, but if you have content on your site, a backup is always welcome. Now, drag and drop the zip file with your kit or select file. I'm gonna select file. Here is my Elementor kit. I'm gonna open it. Click on continue. Click on next. Click into the import into the bottom right corner once again. Setting up your kit. Enable. This usually takes a few minutes. Don't close this window until this process is finished. Importing your content, templates and site settings. I will not cut the video so you can see the process really happening and you can see that it may take time for it, but nothing to worry, okay? Normally it's fast, but if your site have a lot of content, it's gonna be slower, okay? Because there is a lot of things to be important. Now we're gonna click into the close pink button into the bottom right corner. Now let's see our website. And here we go. We have all of the Elementor made pages into this site, just like this one right here, the previous one. Simple, easy, and very effective, and it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visual Modo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor Gutenberg, or Enzu WordPress theme, the best for WordPress theme that can start to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, with our Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, or game design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, icons, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!